Boondocking, aka dry camping, dispersed camping, refers to camping in remote or off-grid locations. When boondocking, campers rely on the resources they bring with them, such as fresh water, food, power sources, such as generators, solar panels, and batteries. The disposal solution. You must practice self-sufficiency and respecting the environment, following the leave no trace principle, and being mindful of local regulations of where you can camp. Here are some considerations if you're thinking of boondocking in an RV. Location. Choose a boondocking spot that is legal and safe for RV camping. Water supply. Ensure you have enough fresh water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Bring a portable water tank or water filtration system. Waste disposal. Plan for proper waste disposal by bringing a portable toilet or by using a designated dump station. Power source. Consider how much power you're going to need and bring a generator or a solar panel and have an inverter to keep your RV's batteries charged. Communication. Check for cell phone reception at your boondocking location and have a backup plan for communication. Plan for emergencies. Safety. Be aware of your surroundings and have safety measures in place, such as a first aid kit, emergency supplies, and a means of communication. Weather conditions. Check the weather forecast before boondocking and prepare for changing conditions with appropriate gear and clothing. Navigation. Use GPS or maps to navigate to your boondocking spot and familiarize yourself with the area to avoid getting lost. Food storage. Store food securely to prevent attracting wildlife. Consider using bear-proof containers or keeping food sealed in containers inside your RV. Duration of the stay. Plan your boondocking trip based on the length of time you intend to stay and make sure you have enough supplies to last the entire time. So you may be wondering, where should we go? Well, there are national forests. I remember outside of the Grand Canyon, there were many places to camp, many dispersed camping opportunities for RV boondockers, allowing them to camp in designated areas away from the developed campgrounds. BLM land, Bureau of Land Management. Particularly in the western United States, they provide vast tracts of public land where RVers can boondock for free or a minimal cost. There's state forests and parks. Some state forests and parks allow boondocking in designated areas, providing a chance to camp in a more remote location while still enjoying the beauty of nature. Wildlife management areas. Certain wildlife management areas permit boondocking for RVers looking to immerse themselves in the natural surroundings and observe the local wildlife. Private property. Some landowners offer boondocking opportunities on their private property for a fee, providing a more secluded and personalized camping experience. Sometimes you might stay with a friend at their place, also known as mooch docking. They might even let you hook up to electricity and water. Who knows? There are coastal areas. There are mountainous areas. There are so many amazing places that you can boondock. When we travel, sometimes we'll go cracker docking, which means we stay at a Cracker Barrel. They have designated areas for RVs. Call ahead and make sure that's okay. Walmart has also done that kind of thing. But remember, you're off-grid, nothing's going to be there for you, and you're totally on your own. Boondocking is really fun because you're self-sufficient, you have everything that you need with you, hopefully, as long as you plan ahead and be prepared for some of the unexpected things that might happen, like what happens if the water pump does not work. Oh dear. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more tips and adventures in our upcoming videos. And as always, keep shining.